once again I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So ये लास्ट टाइम जो हमने अपलोड किया था अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे क्वेश्चन जो एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड था. An ideal settling tank with surface area of 100 meter square receives an overflow of 20 million liter per day of raw water. Referring to the tabular data given below of particle of specific gravity 1.2, what percentage of 0.4 mm and 0.2 mm size particle would settle down in the tank respectively? And for different diameter of the particle, settling velocity is given. Like for 0.5 mm diameter, the settling velocity was 0.26 centimeter per second. For 0.4 mm diameter, the settling velocity is 0.49 centimeter per second. For 0.3 mm diameter of the particle, settling velocity 0.38 centimeter per second. For 0.2 mm diameter particle, the settling velocity 0.22 centimeter per second, and for 0.1 mm particle, the settling velocity is 0.08 centimeter per second. So your options are 34.78%, the percentage settling percentage particle settling for 0.4 mm size, and for 0.2 mm it is 100%, and option B is 100%, 34.78%, option C 95.65% and 100%, and 100% and 95.65%. So the surface area of the tank is given in the question. Surface area, that is equal to 100 meter square, 100 meter square, and the inflow is given, that is discharge, inflow or overflow rate is equal to 20 million liters per day. 20 million liters per day. So if I convert this value, overflow rate can be written as Q. So Q can be written as 20 into 10 to the power 6 into, if I convert in meter cube, so 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 24 into 3600. So it can be computed as 20 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 24 into 3600. So the overflow rate is 0.23 meter cube per second. So overflow rate can be computed. So overflow rate denoted by Bs dash is equal to discharge divided by surface area. So inflow or discharge we have computed, that is 0.23 meter cube per second divided by 0. So it is 0.23 into 10 to the power, if I compute this value, 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. So if I compute in centimeter, so it will be 0.23 centimeter per second. So percentage of particle settling, percentage of particle settling is equal to, efficiency of settling can be computed as the settling velocity Vs divided by overflow rate Vs dash into 100. This is the percentage of particle size settling. If Vs settling velocity is greater than Vs dash, then 100% particle settle. But if Vs dash is greater than Vs, then 100 into Vs by Vs dash percent particle settle. Here Vs dash is overflow rate that is equal to the discharge by surface area B into L, and Vs is the settling velocity. So in the question, the diameter of the particle and corresponding settling velocity is given. So size of particle in mm, corresponding settling velocity Vs in centimeter per second. It is also given. An overflow rate we have computed. So overflow rate Vs dash in centimeter per second, and percentage of particle settling that is equal to 100 Vs by Vs dash. So different size of the particle is given, that is 0.5 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.2 mm, and 0.1 mm. Corresponding settling velocity is 0.62, 0.49, 0.62, 0.49, 0.38, 0.38, 0.22, 0.22, 0.22, and this value is 0.08. This is given in the question. We have computed the overflow rate, that is the value is 0.23 centimeter per second. 0.23, 0.23, 0.23, 0.23, that is common. Now we have to compute the percentage of particle settling. So one statement I told that when the settling velocity is greater than overflow rate, then 100% particle will settle. So here we can see that settling velocity is greater than overflow rate, so 100% particle will settle. Similarly, here is also for this dia particle 0.4 mm, settling velocity is greater than overflow rate, so 100% particle will settle. Similarly, here is 100% particle will settle. But for the size of the particle 0.2 mm and 0.1 mm, settling velocity is less than overflow rate. So what is the percentage of particle settle? So it will be 100 into 0.22 divided by 0.23. So what is this value? This value is 0.22 divided by 0.23 into 100. So this value is 95.65%. 95.65%. Similarly, for 0.1 mm particle size, 1 mm particle size. So what is the percentage of particle settling? So here is also Vs is less than Vs dash. So this value is 100 into 0.08 divided by 0.23. So this value is 0.08 divided by 0.23 into 100. So this value is 34.78. 34.78%. So in the question, the the question in asked what percentage of 0.4 mm. So for 0.4 mm 100% particle will settle, and for 0.2 mm, so for 0.2 mm percentage particle settle is 95.65%. So if I see the option, so 100% and 95.65%, so D option is correct.